Hey, so I want to talk to you guys about how to do the first stage when you do an analysis. You guys have to pick a music video and you have to analyze it and write a literary analysis or a music analysis over the music video. And so your first stage that you have to do is you have to go through stage one, which is observation. So it kind of depends, kind of how you best process, and we've talked about that. But the point of doing observations is because you have to narrow down a starting point. You know, you have to go in and watch the video, look at the music video one time through, listen to it, and make observations, things you notice. What I start doing when I do the very first part is I actually go through and listen to it the first time. Then I read the words in the lyrics, and then I watch and put the video together and kind of listen to it together. What you're really looking for here is you're really looking for the plot events. You're kind of like, you're trying to figure out what happens in order. And as you do that, as you kind of sort of figure out what happens in the piece, the purpose of this whole thing is because you're looking for theme development, because that's what your paper is going to be over. It's how the theme was developed throughout the piece. So for my stage one, what I did first is I literally went in and just I watched the music video, and I just kind of wrote down things that kind of stood out to me, like what I noticed in order. So they literally were just events that kind of happened in the video. The video I chose was Lady Antebellum's Hello World, and I noticed that it started with a city. I wrote down child, blonde, innocent girl, tinted windows, screaming, nice car, chocolate on her face, hello world, and I started to kind of pick up some of the lyrics and stuff too here. Fighting couple, broken out heel. So I kind of went back and forth between what I heard as far as the lyrics as well as what I saw. Then I wrote down real big accident, and I just went all the way through. Now I'm, auditory isn't my strong style, so what I really relied on when I did this is I went in and really annotated the lyrics. Somebody else might rely on just watching the video a couple times, and as well as maybe listen to it. But if you miss out on the lyrics and only do the video or only listen to it, you're gonna miss out on everything, because what I noticed when I went in and looked at the lyrics is that there are some things that they symbolize in the video that they maybe don't have in the lyrics, and what ends up happening is you're missing out on theme development and what the tools are that they're using to be able to develop theme. So this is stage one.